Why can't I add someone on Snapchat? Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on why you can't add someone on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all go ahead and open up your Snapchat application. So when you go to your add friends list and you are not able to add any friends on Snapchat, this may be because of the Snapchat limit. So there's a Snapchat limit on how many friends you can add per day or how many friends that you can add on Snapchat at once. So the only reason you can't add friends is because there is a Snapchat limitation, and that's the reason that you cannot add friends on Snapchat. But if you like to add friends, you can just unfriend the previous friend that you have added on Snapchat and add again and again add new friends on Snapchat. But per day you can only add 130 friends. So the reason is Snapchat limitation. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.